Hennen kasngi ka khar arte de ukala Lincoln. Kadai kasngi kha jong waina ki kraw perkhat jong kari India. Uswami Vivekananda. Haka bak sarkar India kala ainam kerpang ru yakni kasngi kha kom kasngi ka kerpang jong kisamla ne ka National Youth Day. Ringkat ha borok wei kari. Haka ni ka jelaru la rakhe yakni kasngi kha jong Uswami Vivekananda. Bat ka waina ki jing rakhe ka bangilayo ban sakhi ka dei bala pelong dak nat sports and youth affairs jong sarkar jela ka bala pelong dak je ko mare thong ya ka bala tep kom ka National Youth Day run. Yakni ke jeko la pelong nin ke step jong ka khar tereng ha ka balai wan simenta da kumbahan rus pa ngot kinong mare kan thai bat chenrang ya ka balas dang na madan yorang hap laim khra bat pun kon ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium polo kinong mare ke bala job hakani ke jeko kleyo pedang ikhusnam ha ka jelang ka bala long pat ha ka yang sa ulat ke jela Haraj Bhavan ka bala long ha ka porjan mien yakni ke ikhusnam na sam ulat ke jela Vishan Muganathan ha ka balai dan langru commissioner and secretary jong kan dikatnat yele kai ba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ka director ka kong Matsudor War Nongbri u chief information commissioner ba BBO Warjri u commissioner and secretary jong tanat pule puthi ba DP Walang u secretary jong ulat u ba HM Sangpliang u principal ka St Edmunds College u Dr Sylvanus Lamare working president ka MSOA u ba John F Karshieng u secretary jong ka Ramakrishna Mission Shillong u Swami Ayut Shananda Maharaj bat kiwe Hakani ke janme la otru yo ke kum kadak jingkan mau buram ya kasikha ke basis pa san pusau jong Swami Vivekananda balayo ru ya ke jingi simenta jong samla ke jing peniriam ki jing shat bat kasket na ki samla pule Karam Krishna Mission Shillong.
Youth means what? It's full of fun. Youth means playful little. Youth means a state of mind. The mind with full of imagination, I feel, full of dreams, thoughts. To some extent, a predominance of adventure. Youth means some adventurous spirit is there over timidity. Youth means an aptitude. An aptitude for some great achievement. So this is the youth. Here the youth, you're all gathering here. Finally I may ask you one question. Only one word I may ask you. What is the aim of your life? I may ask what you want to do. In one word you have to say. You just start thinking. Youth means full of achievement. This should be the youth. We want you to grow.